Hi everyone, I'm Ernest with UpFix, and today I'll be talking about the Chevy Corvette C5 door modules. The Chevy Corvette door modules control the power windows and power locks. This particular type of door module is found in the C5 Corvettes ranging from 97 to 04. There's one in each door, the passenger and the driver's side, and is physically mounted behind the interior door panel. If you're having issues with the power windows or power locks on one or both doors in your Corvette, first check the fuses and wiring. The harness that connects the door modules runs through the accordion rubber housing cover inside the door jamb. If everything checks out, I would definitely recommend getting the door modules rebuilt. For peace of mind, you can get both door modules rebuilt. However, if only one has failed, you can get away with getting just the one that stopped working. So the windows and locks have dedicated relays inside both door modules. Due to the age of the vehicle, over time the relays wear out and simply stop working. A quick way to test them is with an OBD2 scan tool. If you have a decent scan tool that can do functional tests on the door modules, test the windows and locks. When you test the door locks and windows directly from the scan tool itself, you should hear the relays clicking inside the door module. The repair process is straightforward. All the relays are replaced and then tested in circuit to ensure functionality. Sometimes there can be other circuit board issues, which is why we do a full diagnostic on the circuit board. However, most of the times it's mainly the relays that fail. If you're not certain about how to go about addressing the issues on your door module, we're here to help you get the unit working again. Our techs will fully bench test, repair, and ensure that every function is fully restored on your unit. Purchasing a replacement can be costly, which is why we recommend getting your original door module refurbished. Having your original one repaired is ideal, since these are no longer available new from the dealership. A used one will most certainly have similar issues and are very costly. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.